So today we're going to do oil change for a 2001 Honda Odyssey, and I'm also installing a Fumoto valve with an extension tube for the car. Okay, here's the oil drain plug on the 2001 Honda Odyssey. Okay, here's a Fumoto valve goes in. You see, it can't go in and hit this spot right here. See, so we have to get an extension. It goes right in there. That. We'll tighten that, and then the Fumoto valve can go on top of this. That. See, is it in? Yes. Like that. Okay, I'm going to tighten it. Okay, now install the Fumoto valve, and it's in open position. You can see the oil is still draining. So this is a oil change for a 2016 Subaru Outback with a Fumoto valve. I want to show you how easy and clean it is. I get the car back on the ram. I had a 5-gallon tank right there with a plastic hose, and it can hook up to the Fumoto valve in there. And that lever that you see right there, it turns 90 degrees to lock it or open it. So the oil drains to the hose and right into the recycling cans. No oil on your hand. Now on top, all I do is pull this stick open a little bit so let the air go through. And then later on, we're going to do is change the oil filter and add new oil. And that's the end. Put a little oil on the O-ring. So it's nice and clean. And that's good. Oil filter goes back in here. So the oil been draining for 10-15 minutes. Look like it's pretty much dry. So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to lock this up. That's Fumoto valve right there. I'm gonna go in, trying to find it. Right there. I'm gonna push and lock it. Now that's in the lock position. And I'm gonna remove the clip, the hose. Then I'm gonna install this clip in here. Look like this. As you can see it. Like that. And it goes right into there. That keep it from moving around.
Ship it up, ship it up, ship it up, ship it up. ship, ship it up, ship, ship it up, ship, ship it up, ship, ship it up.